Before we get into that, I want to acknowledge the presence of our Commissioner of Police. How are you, sir? Please, sir, you have to stand up, make you see your minister give you. Yes. Yeah. Let's hear it for him. Head of our JCF doing a great job here with security and crime in Jamaica. Clap him one more time. That is right. So we want to welcome back our viewers as well to the excitement and listen is building right here at the Miss Jamaica Festival Queen Coronation Show 2026. Now, on a no say Jamaican woman, no Uncle Bright. We are very talented, right? So tonight we're going to be hearing drama. We're going to see some dance, music, spoken word. Every queen has poured her heart into her presentation. And I know they're ready to make Jamaica proud. So we're going to start with our contestant representing the beautiful Garden Parish of St. Anne, celebrated for its lush landscapes and pristine beaches. Put your hands together, show some love for Tavina Porter as she performs Culture Queen.
Mr. Chat, hey, this I'm a little entrepreneurship from Papa. But you see me, these are proud young hustler. The entertainer called me up to transform on the scene. From a food seller to a culture queen. You ready? Watch me. I'm in the mood, no. I'm in the mood, I'm gonna take on a school, no. I'm in the mood, no. I'm in the mood, I'm gonna take on no chat. Make we take it back. 1962 with the pump freedom map. Rep me a rapping, I'm a green, gold, black. Full of chat, yes, I'm not take it back one queen. The one with double top. Remember when Shelly and mash up the track? Everybody don't know. I want Paris from the upper home. St. Anne, yes, I will not become a ban. I'm a rape by my Japan. Me now watch no face, me is a pro Jamaican from east to west, north to south. Come, let me tell you what I'm all about. It name jam down, pull up and me big pan the scene. Cricket, football not talk about. Track and field culture queen. I that them call me culture me. I said everybody want peace, but we not stop preach. We not stop preach love unity and respect. Me a preach chicken hot and ready. Wanna come grab it, no man. Culture there for everybody. Watch out. Hey, Miss Kitty would say I'm multi-talented. Born to rise and I must get ahead. And that's why me there with the jerk pan today. At a Jamaican, me can't go anywhere they call me. Culture nice on me. Pull up a spice when you talk about them, done everything alright. Hey, big up the woman, them a treat them well. And bust a Miss Kitty black if and a lie. Me a tell me how we what's that? Chop out. We're gonna give them something again. Hey, no chat. The part of one nice. But we reach to the part we're gonna big up the queen and the sea. What means to the name? You ball out. Culture queen. We ready? Delia Harris, she a culture queen. Louise Benny, she a culture queen. Louisa Hannah, she a culture queen. Tavina Porter, she a culture queen. Big up Olivia Gray, she a real culture queen. And she a mass up the place when she touch on the scene. Will out. Hey, me tell you a little bit of this, me tell you a little bit of that. A little bit of this, me tell you a little bit of that. Me tell you a little bit of this, me tell you a little bit of that. Hey, road Jamaican, we not stop, can I repeat? Road Jamaican, we not. Come again. Road Jamaican, we not stop, say that. Will out. Hey, you know I work, me I work, see a chicken, me a jerk. You know the culture queen come fish, shake up the earth. Will out. Hey, big up center. 1962, Boxy, one love.
That is Tavina Porter from St. Anne. Come on, put your hands together for the Culture Queen. What a blazing start to our talent competition. Are you ready for our next contestant? Are you ready for our next contestant? Well, our next contestant is from a parish known as the birthplace of legendary sprinter Usain Bolt. Home to the historic town of Falmouth, please welcome Miss TRELAWNY Teja-Jae Rose.
My soul started to wander
recently land off a Hoover fence that again. Because after Hurricane Melissa passed through, I learned something I never fully understand before. You see, when you get old like me, you need them start to predict storm like weatherman. Because as breeze blow, you start to rock and shake like old motor. But hurricane or arthritis, through it all, we still there. I remember the night before hurricane come. Do we know that we go on like dog in a mating season? Out and howling. And Master Albert out and was still a say, me think this town we bypass we. Albert, this town will not bypass anything except common sense. Come inside the house. Next morning, the light exposed everything like it couldn't keep a secret. Zinc gone pan road trip. Breadfruit tree lie down in the road like it apply for taxi license. Me say, even the court them confused. Me say, I see one pan top of a car like it a claim ownership. But guess what? We still there. Oh Lord, even the power outage. Lord have mercy. I clap mosquito till my skin wheel up. I long for a buckle of cold water, I see. And even in the chaos, Jamaicans do the most Jamaican things. Me say, I see some people collect care package gallery now. And some of them know they didn't have a place to put it. And I make sure tell my grandson, say, see, care me down at the hardware. So I can use up my government voucher and fix up back we house. Because guess what? We still there. But beneath all the laughter, my people, something deep rise up. We stand beside each other when nothing else was standing right. Glory. We do not break. We just fix it. We laugh about it. And we carry on. We continue. Because even after this storm, we still there. We not still there. Trump man, my soul started to wonder. Oh, we cross. Oh, glory. Hallelujah.
Keep that applause going for Trelawney.